I started this farm with $400, and nobody warned me what would happen afterward. I don't know, maybe it's my fault. It's not the kind of farming everyone talks about on YouTube. It's the real thing. If you're doing this kind of work or thinking about getting into it, make sure you watch this video all the way through. I'll walk you through it step by step every month. What I was expecting, what actually happened. Every mistake, every cost, every real number. We are AcreWise. We share real farm stories based on real data. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on these stories. I'm talking about my first month. I have $400 in expenses, and this is a very clear decision. I did not buy 5 animals at once. I bought 50 Coturnix quail. What I expected, eggs in 2 weeks. What actually happened, nothing, for 6 weeks. Coturnix quail take 6 to 8 weeks to start laying after you get them. Month 1 total cost, $462. Total income, $0. This is the part nobody posts on YouTube. Month 2, still no eggs, but something important happened. I started finding my buyers before I had a single egg to sell. I contacted 4 restaurants and 2 farmers markets in week 5. 2 said yes before I had a single egg to show them. Month 2 cost, $42. Feed only, nothing else needed. The hardest part of month 2 was not the money, it was the doubt. Week 7, morning 5:30, I found the first egg. Week 7 changed everything. 40 eggs coming in every single day. I called my first restaurant buyer that morning. They took all of it. That first week of sales brought in $64. It was not life-changing money, but it proved the system was real. Month 3 income was $399. Feed cost was still $42. Net profit, $357. But here is what nobody tells you about your first profitable month. The buyers want more than you can produce, and that is actually a problem. Month 4, I made the mistake that almost ended everything. I scaled too fast. I bought 150 more quail before my feed system could support them. Feed cost jumped from $42 to $180 overnight. Income did not grow fast enough to cover it. Month 4, net, negative $83. That month taught me the most important rule of this system. Never scale an animal before the previous month's income covers the new cost. Every single time you break that rule, you go backwards. I sold 60 of the new quail back, brought the system back to what the income could actually support. Month 5 started clean. Month 5 brought a problem I never saw coming. My neighbor filed a noise complaint about the quail. I did not even know quail could be a noise complaint. I spent 2 weeks and $40 on soundproofing the cage area. The complaint went away, but those 2 weeks cost me focus I could not get back. Month 5 was also when I added the Black Soldier Fly system. Total setup cost, $180. 2 bins, starter colony, done. Within 3 weeks, the BSF larvae were processing all my quail waste. My feed cost dropped from $42 to $19 that month. Month 6 income hit $1,040 for the first time. I used that money to add 6 meat rabbits to the system. 3 does, 1 buck, 2 grow-outs. The rabbits cost $320, including the hutches. Month 6 income covered it completely. The system was funding its own growth. Something remarkable happened when the rabbits arrived. Their manure went directly into the BSF bins below the hutches. The BSF larvae population doubled in 2 weeks from the extra input. More larvae meant more free feed for the quail from the BSF system. Feed cost dropped again, from $19 to $11. Month 7, the number I had been waiting for since day 1. Total income, $1,320. Total spent since month 1, $1,280. I was officially in profit. Every dollar from month 8 onward was money this farm generated from nothing but $400 and 7 months of work. But here is what I need you to understand about month 7. It almost did not happen because of one mistake I nearly made in month 6. I almost added ducks before the rabbit income was proven. I waited 1 more month until the rabbit sales were consistent. That decision kept the break-even on schedule. Month 8 income was $1,640. That was the month I finally added the ducks. 12 khaki Campbells, $840, including the shelter. The BSF larvae immediately became 60% of their feed. Duck feed cost $22 for the entire first month. Month 9, $2,080 in total income. I added 3 beehives to the southeast corner of the property. Total cost $760, including all equipment. The bees did something unexpected in the first 2 weeks. The moringa and comfrey plants near the quail produced 30% more biomass from the pollination. Months 10 and 11 felt different from every month before them. The animals were feeding each other without me managing every connection. The system had become automatic. Month 10, net profit, $1,920. Month 11, $2,240. The numbers were climbing every month without adding a single new animal. Month 12. 12 months after I stood in an empty backyard with $400. Total income that month, $2,800. Total costs, $312. 1 year, $400 to start, $2,488 net profit every month. The system paid for itself in month 7 and never looked back. Here are the 5 things I wish someone had told me before month 1. First, your first egg takes longer than any YouTube video will admit. Plan for 8 weeks of zero income. Second, find your buyers before you have anything to sell. Third, never scale before last month's income covers the new cost. Fourth, your neighbor is a variable you cannot control. Plan for it. Soundproof early. Communicate early. Do not wait for a complaint. Fifth, the system gets easier every single month, not harder. Month 1 is the hardest month this farm will ever have. Everything after that is the system learning to run itself. Nobody warns you about the doubt in month 2 when nothing is happening. Nobody warns you about the mistake you will make when you scale too fast. Nobody warns you about the neighbor or the empty egg tray or the feed cost spike. But nobody warns you about this either, that the system works if you let it. That month, 7 comes if you do not quit. That $2,488 a month is real if you start with $400. Drop a comment right now. Tell me which month of this journey scared you the most. Month 1 with zero income. Month 4 with the big mistake. Or month 2 with the doubt. I read every single one. Subscribe to AcreWise for weekly farm systems built on real numbers. Next week, the exact week-by-week plan to replicate this system starting with $400. See you then.